Hello, everyone. My name is Talia. Today, I will talk about my morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is good for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. I usually wake up at 7 hun. My alarm rings, and I get up. I stretch my arms and smile. Aw, he's so sweet. Good morning, love. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I usually eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. I drink a hot cup of tea. It helps me feel ready for the day. Next, I choose my clothes. I wear jeans and a simple shirt. If it is cold, I wear a sweater too. This sweater is so soft and warm. Perfect! Finally, I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I see many people going to work. The morning feels fresh and busy. This is my morning routine. What about you? What do you do in the morning? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.